here to
Correct.
pump us up. Akash, you're looking fresh and fine. I love the beard. It's not because you don't like shaving and have lots of time to do nothing. It's more
Not
because
at
of a
all.
new look. And I
Yes.
myself have got the John Abraham. People keep mistaking me. Hey, John, what are you doing? Wherever I go. Uh, Look at Amit. Amit, you and me, what are we? We are like in between. We're the in betweeners in terms of
In,
shaving.
in terms of shaving, so my general policy in life is shave once a month.
Oof,
Hmm.
wow. Talk
Yes.
about killing time. Unbelievable. Uh, and what about our friend from the
Antrich?
Powai Lake
Me,
area?
I जब लगे कि it's going a little haywire, I trim it a bit. That's about it.
Okay, just
Because
in case.
lockdown has allowed us to just go all out, no, with the beard. So
Yeah, but
that
in
makes
case
sense.
they've just tuned in, let me just say you trim it a bit as in you're talking about the beard. Because they'll see four
Yeah.
ugly men on screen and they think there's something sexual overtone involved. Give me a second. I have a Persian who needs to leave the room while Akash can take over the conversation. Get out and never come back,
Ah,
Persian.
so you
Yeah.
guys are on YouTube live. ए अगर तुम लोग लाइव देख रहे हो तो प्लीज लाइक ठोक दो, सब्सक्राइब करो. साइरस को अभी तक नहीं पता है कि ये सब करने का रहता है, तो कर दो जल्दी, लाइक ठोको तो
Cyrus Tarban hai live show mein. I'm only opening and closing doors. But that tells you that we're live, that we don't lie. No professional would ever behave so ridiculously stupid to pick up and shut doors in the middle of a opening of a second show. Second of many millions of shows, I'm sure. So yeah, how do you feel, guys? Quickly, Akash. By the way, any happy feeling about being on a live podcast? It makes no difference
Yeah,
whatsoever.
Akash has never done anything live ever in his life.
No, but as a guy who's done both, what do you think? It makes any difference?
I think the difference really is the fact that you can see what people are saying. You can have a conversation. There are super chats coming, so there's like a whole of like that's what makes it different, because it genuinely it's the closest you can do to doing a live show without a live audience.
See, I don't lie to my people, so I'm going to just tell them the truth. Whoever's not talking is sending in the messaging. That's how we do it amongst ourselves. We rotate the policy. We have a roster here. So at the moment, I think Amit's fingers are free since he doesn't bloody shave. वो 29 days खाली है. मैं जो क्या करेगा? एक दिन में काम हो जाता है. And 29 days are free for everything else. All right, topic number one. We've got some huge topics today, guys.
Yeah.
Arbaz and
Yeah.
Sohail were put inside the net or something. I read.
Yeah, I heard that too.
There's an FIR filed against them.
FIR.
What did they
Yeah.
do
Ooh.
exactly?
So
Uh,
basically, they had gone to Dubai.
oh, it's
They
not to
came
do with
back
acting or anything.
out.
One second, let's just
No,
clarify.
nothing.
Okay, okay. Carry on, carry on.
Sohail Khan, Arbaz Khan, and Sohail Khan's son Nirvan had gone to Dubai and then came back on December 25th, and they were asked to quarantine for 15 days. But they did not quarantine; they just went to their Mumbai house,
Oh,
and that's why the FIR was filed
oh.
for flouting COVID-19 norms.
Do people do that? No, I
Uh,
think
So where are you
everybody
supposed to
just.
quarantine?
You're supposed
When
to
you
get a
At,
test,
at the hotel,
inside the airport?
in a hotel.
or you get
Yeah,
a test. No,
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 near
no,
the airport must be a designated hotel.
not anymore. Now you have to get the test, and you have to wait there only until the result of the test comes. If you have not already gotten the test before getting on the flight.
Hmm. No, but
So
that's domestic. This is international,
no,
right?
no,
I
I'm
think
talking
this.
about
I think
international. When I flew in from Dubai,
Huh.
I had to carry
show off.
test. क्या
हाँ.
show off यार? Half
तो वहीं
test.
से आ गया लॉकडाउन में हम मुश्किल से वालकेश्वर से मलबार हिल पहुंच गया हाँ
So
Anyway,
are
go
you
on, go on.
saying there should be an FIR against you also, Akash?
No, so if you take the test,
Well put, Silvery. This is how the young comic takes on the older comic. I like it. Go on. Yeah.
so you just take the test before you get on the flight. You should have the result with you. उतना ही है. जो गोवा के लिए है वही रूल दुबई के लिए है, ठीक है?
Very similar proposition. Tickets are the same. But Amit, is it a case of justice not being fair to everyone? Because sometimes being a celebrity, you pay for it. In a sense that the Sharmas walk off the plane, nobody's really keeping an eye on them, or the Vermas for that matter. But when Arbaz and Sohail walk out, there's a proper, your known per face. And so obviously there's more speculation and they investigate and then they catch them. So is that like the reverse of everyone being...
It's not. I mean, like it's the price you pay, right? I mean, like in some ways, but
Really,
I
your
mean,
heart never goes out to celebrities unless the
no.
NBA basketballers in horrible shorts. Unbelievable. You are your
No, no, no.
racist, prejudiced man.
I'm actually very sympathetic to a lot of celebrity issues, right? But in this case, I think that. Well, so first, I don't understand the rule only, right? I don't understand because if you have to get a test and you have to wait, then why
Wait,
were they
where?
sent to a
Akash is
hotel?
not
If they
clear
were,
about wait where. It's 16, 18 hours, right? So where do you wait?
I don't think a test.
You wait at the airport. They have a holding area type of place where you wait for your test results. My
Where
friend,
you and everybody who has it will pass it to each other in
that
this
is a
holding
different
area.
conversation that
So
nobody wants to give a fuck about. But I'm telling my friend
Oh,
also.
why would I go in? It's like a lottery where 10 में से at least 3 4 के पास होगा. I mean, you're thinking about it in your head
Yeah,
and you stand there for how many hours?
yeah. Yeah,
Oh,
especially
but
everyone from the UK flight is also with you only in that waiting area.
correct.
Okay.
Exactly. That's what exactly what the article goes on to say. It says, according to the law, in the wake of the outbreak of the new strain of COVID-19 from UK, passengers traveling into the city from the UK and UAE are required to undergo a 7-day institutional quarantine.
So there
So
is a
the
new quarantine now.
Yeah. So the three of them, the Arbaz, Sohail, and the child, Nirvan, reportedly the three of them have been placed under quarantine in Taj Lands End, Bandra by
What
BMC.
a punishment!
Yeah, what a punishment.
What a punishment!
What a
Everybody
punchline!
else.
Yeah.
That's superb, really. Yeah. I've been a bad boy. 20 days. With Milad, can I have 2 days more? I'm not sure.
Every in some sense there is some justice because everybody else who is getting away from this quarantining and sidestepping it, वो लोग at least bribe कर रहे, ये लोग चेहरा दिखा के आ गए,
Are you serious about the bribing, but?
I'm sure there is bribing in India.
You're
There is
speculating. No friend of yours has actually put money in the pocket and said, "Boss, ye lo, bukar to hai, but you know what the hell."
I can neither confirm nor deny.
Come on, Akash. We need people to listen to our podcast. Tell the truth. Have you bribed an official? Are they corrupt?
Who is listening to the truth anymore? You have to say fantastical stories.
Asho, NCB, CBI, State Bank of India, Reserve Bank, all the big institutions.
Yeah. RBI and CBI and TCL and JLT and WWW.
For financial acumen, come to us. We're right there for you. All right. So, end of that story, then, Silvery. How does it end? That's it. They're in Taj
Yeah,
Lands.
they're chilling. Yeah, they're chilling at
The
Taj
story
Lands.
ends with the sun setting and like the ceiling ka view.
And a little close on some of the guys who are stuck in that holding area, which I want to see their faces. I mean, and it's like racism has changed because it'll be about the accent now, not the look. Because you don't know who an Englander, Londoner is. So you'll just hear someone going, "Hello, can you pass me some coffee?" And then suddenly, bug jao. Everybody runs away from there. Oops, very scary. Lovely story to
I don't
begin.
understand though. Sorry, I don't understand. The BMC pay for this, the Taj Lands thing, or are they paying for it themselves?
It's supposed to be at the cost of the person.
Of the
but it's
person.
heavily subsidized by BMC.
Okay,
I would have to
stupid,
assume-
you bunch of assholes. Are you actually speculating whether some government institution in this country is sending you to a 7-star hotel for recreational reasons? What are you talking about, bro?
Well, I mean, it might be a reason to get COVID if they are, right? I'm guessing.
That's true. Yeah.
Or at least maybe.
The Challenger test, no, for COVID vaccines. You know about that, no?
No, please tell us, Dr.
Like where
Akash.
you volunteer to get COVID.
Matlab?
So the idea is you volunteer to be given COVID, and then half of you will be given a vaccine that is an actual vaccine, and half of it is the placebo. Like a
Placebo.
clinical-
Okay.
So people
No, but-
volunteered for it also.
And you get paid, obviously, with the 5 days at
55,000.
Taj Lands End.
Yeah.
Wait. They never infected anybody deliberately, as far as I know. What are we?
35,000 people had signed up for Challenger tests
Uh,
all over the
I'm
planet.
sorry, Amit,
They were-
but in science, this is the way they do it very often.
No,
You have to infect to see your test resistance ability. And then for the others, you're taking one for the team, so to speak. Sorry.
Yeah, my friend in Delhi got it from the AIMS ka Challenger test.
Really?
You get
Wow.
it. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
I've
And
never.
There are
He didn't want to get married, so that was a different story. He signed up for another reason. Yeah. Go on.
Oh my God! Wow. Okay, that's insane. I had no idea that there was something like this.
And they get to go like to a place and stay there for a bit and all, like while they are figuring it out whether their symptoms are extreme or
You
not.
guys I can't believe you don't know this. The whole transgender movement happened simply because people have been testing and then the side effects come 20 years later. And now we have all this. So you got to be really careful. Again, disclaimer. No disrespect to any
I
gender.
have
We love them all.
no idea where that went.
Yeah,
came
I
from.
don't know what that meant only. I'm going to come.
Silvery's understood. Silvery understood, right? It happens, man. 20 years later, you're a woman because, nobody had the perspective, saw the historical sort of side effect. Don't laugh about this, guys. We have no idea. Enough people are going to have some changes in their body 2, 3, 5 years down the line. I'm dying for
Oh,
that.
no, so that's something that I've heard a lot about. Right? I mean, like people. One of the reasons why, so a lot of athletes protested or were uncomfortable with the idea of these bubbles and stuff like that, right? Whether it is NBA, whether it is other sport bubbles that were created, because nobody knows what the effects of COVID is going to be on your body 20 years from now. Or 5 years from now, are there long-term effects? Is it going to have long-term respiratory effects? Are you going to be able to kind of do this stuff? So a lot of people had issues with that kind of thing.
Yeah, so that's the lottery now. Your desperation prevails. Majboori, as we say in Hindi. If you're really in bad shape or whatever, desperate, then you just take it. If not, I'm thinking it is a bit of a long game because something is going to, you pay for everything. There's no free lunch. That's the sort of situation we're in. And I don't want Akash, this beautiful face of his, to change, and you suddenly starts looking like, I don't know, John Abraham. Because the side effects can also be good. Akash, you got to hope and pray. Guys, I got a lovely topic I want to jump into. Today, night curfew is off. You are free to be in groups of more than 4. Isn't that great?
Today is the last day of the curfew.
I see you're not affected at all.
Yeah, I mean, like,
One
okay.
of the things, damn it, now to make plans to go out.
I don't know about y'all, but my mom is so scared that when she read this and my son went out on Saturday with a couple of his friends, she was like holding a handkerchief and saying, no, he can't go out. They put him in jail. I said, why they put him in jail? 18-year-old boy from Malwa is going to watch a football match with 2 of his friends. They're not going to put him in jail. Oh, no, please. And from 10 o'clock, she was calling him to come back. And the game, of course, started at 11:30. That's another story. So unaffected, the rich. Akash, have you stepped out in this curfew? I didn't even really know about
I
it.
have been doing shows throughout, man.
Akash, I think you lost your mic.
Did you? Is it?
No, I can hear him.
No.
No, I can hear him, but it went really soft all of a sudden, and room sound came in from the mic instead of the mic on.
Is this better?
That's
this
better.
Is
That
this
is
fine?
that is better. Yeah.
Akash,
I
you
was
can't do this
really
kind of
trying
check in the
to-
middle of my show. How can you do that? Okay, you can do that.
Because this
Doing
is a live
shows?
stream, Cyrus. Because this is a live stream, people are messaging and saying कि नहीं चल रहा है, तो इसलिए मैं कर रहा है.
People are messaging and telling me to go off camera. Listen,
Speaking.
bro, just finish the thing. You made Zoom shows, no? You're not. You did some live.
No. Physically. I went
Wow.
to Bangalore. I went to Pune. I went to.
But
for
what's
the
it?
first time-
What time is the cutoff there then? Because Bangalore was 6
in,
p.m.
yeah, so the night I had a show in Pune was the night they declared the thing, the curfew, and it was damn annoying because nobody bought tickets. And then in the evening, the police guy is saying कि नहीं तुम लोग आज तो बिंदास घूम सकते हो. So like we sold about half the tickets we were expecting.
I want to talk to the government. They can't keep
Same
doing
thing
this.
happened. No, same happened in Bangalore also. They declared a fucking curfew. I didn't. That day was my show. 2 shows back to back. Nobody's gonna buy tickets because it's a curfew. And then suddenly the chief minister is like, no, there is no need for curfew. Chalo maja karo.
He came to
छुट्टियाँ
watch.
है क्या?
He came to watch. As long as he did Congress jokes, he was okay. But Akash, this is unbelievable. How can this? It's like Die Hard. How can the same thing happen to the same comedian twice? You go to Pune, they declare curfew. You go to Bangalore, they declare curfew. This is not right.
Yeah. No. I mean, what's
Did
happened
we-
on 31st
Huh.
should be proof कि there is some stuff that's going wrong in this country.
What
Are we
happened
going
on
back to the
31st?
Munawar incident?
Yeah, dude, Munawar got arrested and
That
all.
was on 31st.
Yeah.
31st
yeah.
night, no?
It was New
31st.
Year's night. They made him spend New Year's.
Yeah, New Year's
I
night.
knew it happened, but I thought it was.
They
I
arrested
thought-
him on the 32nd.
Mentioned this yesterday. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I thought it was Saturday that he did the show. So I
MP
thought it was the
police was
first.
like Gregorian calendar है, ये मुनावर है, कोई अंतर नहीं है, कोई 31st है कि नहीं, क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Man,
Just-
that is.
Did Munawar complete the set in lockup? I mean, as an artist, are you supposed to do that? We should know that as well when this happens. It's a bit scary. Do you do curfew jokes when you're there? I mean, Akash,
Yeah, of course.
can you tell us one curfew joke? And if we like it, we'll keep you on. And actually, I think you all should basically make fun of the government, but the order in a certain way. The night shows should become lunch shows or something, but you should still call it a night show because here the day ends at 3 o'clock for us because of law.
But Cyrus, my audience is trying to be Atmanirbhar right now, so they have to do work, So they have to go to jobs and all, and they have to pay for petrol, where even though they pay for
Good segue to cover your ass, Akash, but remember, we will edit a later version which we release, where we'll make you look like the person who brings down the government who is trying to. Munawar's best friend, close up on Akash. Munawar and Akash grew up together. Two young
but
comedians,
whenever-
same perspective.
Whenever a comedian gets caught for all this, you get 4-5 comedians messaging you saying, "Oh fuck, मैं उसको best of luck message किया था, अब मेरे पीछे आएंगे."
Last one to message Munawar.
Yeah. Like sometimes you do think that. Sometimes I'm sharing a story about something wrong that happened to another comedian, and I'll be like, "Damn it, will I get arrested for this?"
Yeah,
So just sharing
yeah.
a story. Yeah.
But it's
so-
interesting how the audience doesn't give a shit. Like in that place,
Yeah.
there were 3 of
Which
them,
place?
and there were 50 audience in Indore, for example.
Huh.
The
Where he was
audience
doing the
were-
thing.
हाँ, ऑडियंस पुलिस स्टेशन तक नहीं आएगी, लाइक काउंटर एविडेंस देने को या फिर कुछ और बोलने को कुछ नहीं
Well,
आएगी.
what counter evidence is there to give in this? So
No,
basically,
if
the
you-
audience. See, the thing is that the audience
Can't judge.
Well, no, I mean, like, I can judge, and I do
No,
judge quite
legally,
harshly,
I
right?
mean,
I mean,
legally.
huh?
Legally,
No,
they're
yeah.
not going to judge, make the judgment.
Well, of course, they're not going to make a legal judgment, but I do judge them quite harshly for they have the thing where they want to go for a show, right? Now, see, the thing is that the entire episode is not really something which has legal and, like, it's not a process driven thing. It's a, some dude decided, okay, I want to make some noise. It's time for me to
Yeah,
make my name, and so let's go get a politician. Let's go get a comedian fucked, right?
yeah,
That's what happened here, right? So there's no real,
Yeah.
like, kind of this, but at the same time, the audience, they want to go and watch comedy shows, then they have to support the comedians who are doing this stuff, right?
Yeah.
So they should make noise about this shit. They should tell that guy to shut the fuck up and sit the hell down,
Yeah.
right? I
uh,
Also,
mean,
how sad is this person's life that on 31st he has no other plans but to go and try and get a
it's
comedian
not
arrested.
sad. It's ambitious. He has
Right.
decided that when the New Year's weekend comes, I want to dominate the news. You will
yeah.
all know my name.
Yeah.
Also, Western
Like what's that?
socializing and Eastern
Yeah.
anti-socializing are totally different paths. So he chose anti-socializing on 31st, which is also a custom prevalent in our times. I'm all for it. Why should it only be the comedians getting away with murder? Let these people vent their anger. He must be able to talk as well. We support the
Uh,
movement to put
Antariksha,
Munawar in.
do you ever feel like, and Amit, you also, because y'all are
No.
in the business of programming these things, like, you know how y'all plan for tentpole events, right?
Mhm.
Like,
Yeah,
you will plan for a Diwali and a New Year's and a Republic Day. So I feel
right.
like they are doing the same thing, like in the content calendar, like,
So then,
right?
then they,
Yep.
100% right. I agree. 100% that's what happened over
then the
here, right?
son of a BJP guy, I said it with due respect and deference. The son of the BJP guy who led that protest should be paid the comedians money because, in a sense, he became the event. So that's what we got to see.
अरे अभी पैसा भी नहीं देगा तू कॉमिक को.
I, I just believe in this justice should be fair. Guys, there's one topic I want to get into, but we'll suddenly run out of time or take a break. And that is the greatest Indian in the history of India from Mangal Pandey. I think is a guy called Muhammad Yusuf. He stole a cop's bike from the traffic jockey in Bandra. I have a new role model. I bow to him. And there's a picture. I wish you can show a picture of a cop who looks perplexed. The fellow with a long mustache, traffic cop, in the traffic jockey. I mean, this is a godsend, man. This is beautiful, lovely.
Okay, since
more?
you brought up a picture, you know what? I'm going to share one picture before we take our break. This is a picture that multiple people sent me yesterday. Uh, there we go. Can you all
Amit,
see
I
this?
promise I was not sober when that was taken. Oh.
Oh,
That's the side chest. Right check pose.
wow.
We're selling the gym equipment. You can get me as well. Akash, you know what Akash? Guys, you know what Akash is thinking? And they arrested Munawar.
Oh, man.
Shit! Oh
Yeah.
my God, those pecs! Look at those pecs, Cyrus! Boom, Shiva! Oh my God, look at them! Oh,
Oh, okay. Since Amit showed that picture, Cyrus, there is a question in the chat for you. They're asking, how long did it take you to get this physique? After how long?
My physique is a work in progress,
Interesting.
firstly. Secondly, I don't know how to answer that question. This is a stupid picture somebody took and put on my damn thing because I don't handle any social media. Okay. For me, bodybuilding was a private thing. It's like masturbating. I just do it quietly. Make a song and dance. No matter what, even if your physique looks decent, you still look like a chute. Because who goes and poses? And I mean, come on, you look like a Lokanwala guy. I'm not a Lokanwala guy. Tight shirts and walking around at cafe coffee day saying, "What's up, yaar?" The moment you see that, you're in the wrong tribe, bro. I can only apologize. I just hope they don't. Oh God, what's left? Think of my kids, man. Do you want your father to be like that? How do you explain it? My dad engineer. My dad business tycoon. My dad fly plane. My dad truth. My dad picture.
but those pecs are hard work, यार. ऐसा नहीं बोलेंगे my dad pecs.
Genetics. You should see my mom. Ooh, cross the line, boys. Call the police in Madhya Pradesh. So, by the way, is he out or not?
There was supposed to be a bill
Today
hearing
was
yesterday, no?
Today is the hearing. But interestingly, today the magistrate will hear it again and see whether or not he gets to go home.
How can they
Um,
keep him in like he's a terrorist or something for freaking one talk? I mean, that's the funny part. I mean,
It's ludicrous. It's absolutely
Yeah, man.
ludicrous.
I mean, murderers, blatant murderers get bail. I mean, it makes no sense. You're bad comedian. You're not following the law for 24 years. Come on, yeah. Please take out a petition, a bigger one.
So I mean, in fact, the first thing that came to my mind when I read about it, because I switched off everything. Like I switched off my phone and all for 31st. I didn't want to
Why?
get the world into my life. Just like
You just
enough,
want to
man.
de-link for a bit.
Yeah, like and I was off only till
One
second.
second, I interrupt. Amit is taking a phone call in the middle of a live recording for which there will be a penalty. Akash decide the penalty. He has to show his specs in the next picture for tomorrow's show.
I am sorry about that. I had to tell somebody that they need to deal with something else.
Red card, red card, red card.
Red card.
Hey, I
Oh, red
muted.
card
At
has
least
been
I muted.
Because you know how to.
Guys,
Please. Sorry, Akash, we interrupted you. Are you de-linked on 31st?
Oh yeah, but as soon as I found out about it, like I turned on my mobile and I could, like, a lot of people sent me that link and I read, and the first thought in my head was, this is an MP, he's not going to get bail.
Yeah, no, it
But
was.
you knew the
I-
government. While we struggle with who was in charge. That's another story for another day. Yeah.
Yeah, no, but I agree as well. I saw that it was the son of an MLA, right? It was a BJP MLA's son, and I saw that. The second I saw that, I was like, dude, this is just like, this is theater. We're about to see a show.
Yeah. And
Now
the
you're
second
making-
thing that
And not to
second thing
not to
about-
make light of the guy who's sitting in jail. I mean, like, it's obviously
You're
terrible for
making
him.
a pointed. Your point is aimed at the judiciary actually more than the government in a sense. What you're saying is basically we expect that the government will bully you because you're not towing their line. But what you're saying is that the judiciary, and this is a delicate area to be in, is compromised slightly.
I would say
you're saying, not me.
yeah, no, I don't think anybody is saying that. I think we should all be very clear that
Somebody
we're
else
not saying
said
this.
we are just repeating.
We're just exactly yeah. But
what's interesting, rather, I don't know whether this is hearsay or whether this is actual, but several sources seem to suggest that the FIR में जो चीज डाला है वो लोग ने, वो भी पुराना है, वो वीडियो ही है. Nothing he did on that night was a problem.
yeah, but they charged them for event related stuff.
They also they didn't charge him for event related stuff.
No,
they charged him for they
No,
हाँ,
the
वो रहेगा.
It's cybercrime.
so you're saying he didn't make those jokes at all that night?
No,
नहीं, that night he didn't. But they charged him for like whatever social distancing show वगैरह, उसका अलग से charge मारेंगे उसके ऊपर.
Oh, it's not a political charge. It's a charge on. What do you say?
they've made
no,
weird
no.
charges, man.
Here's the
like,
bad news. Because he's not big enough, he doesn't get to go to Taj Lands End at the end of the story. How sad. Can we take a break?
break?
Yeah.
I'll take a break.
Yeah.
What
Hello,
do we do when you all take a break?
I call up
Nothing, we just
Taj.
sit
It's
around,
the
look at each other for a second.
Taj Mahal, please. One second, Mayawati is on the phone. Huh? They've taken me to Agra. Yeah. All right, we're back on a show called Cyrus Says. But Akash, we need to change the name for a daily. What should we call it?
Cyrus keeps saying.
Cyrus says every day.
But that would be too obvious. Why can't we just have a name like Raju? So that people just tune in and they're like, wow, what is this all about?
I think let's just we have a nice name. Let's call it Cyrus Says. That's good. We don't need anything else.
तो ऐसा 5 साल ब्रांड बनाने के बाद फिर ऐसा अच्छा चलना घूमने.
Read between the pecs, yeah. Read between the pecs.
Show.
Nothing is working today. Today is Tuesday, na? Off. I'm a devotee. Sergi, Silvery, do you have a formal topic or shall I find some more rubbish?
Yes. No. I have some good topics. So Alibaba founder Jack Ma, Jack Ma, the Chinese billionaire.
Teri maa.
Jack Ma.
Jackie Chan, Jack Ma. Huh.
Alibaba founder, Chinese billionaire Jack Ma has been missing for the last 2 months.
Yeah.
And nobody has any idea where he is.
I mean, we all know
what happened was he had
metaphorically.
One
Yes.
word, China.
So yeah, correct.
I don't know why he came up with that
About
word.
2 months back.
Huh?
Yeah, about 2 months back, he had made a controversial speech criticizing the Chinese financial system, and he had
Transparency
called
there,
the Chinese banks basically. Yeah,
Is it
he
one of the Hong
basically
Kong
called the
publications
Chinese
his or something
banks
like that?
pawn shops.
He has
Sorry?
one of the
He's
publications.
got interests all over the place, man.
Yeah,
So
so
let's
yeah.
just put this. This is the story to make us feel good about India. We are not so bad.
Exactly.
I'm
that's
sorry,
all.
Amit.
What you're saying is the India's richest man could not just disappear. No name.
Would not just disappear for
Could
2
not
months.
just disappear because here we are as
here's the-
powerful as the government.
But the thing is that the
But-
difference. is
But
also-
India's second richest man can
Yes.
be.
Yes.
That's because of the first richest man. So that's the difference. That's not China. Don't blame China. Sorry, Akash. Akash is trying to make a good point. Go on, bro.
I'm just saying
But did your
that,
nose first? Yes.
So I was just doing a very quick. I tried to be subtle.
You can't be
same-
4 windows and looking at each other's faces. It's no solidarity with Munawar. Bolo.
the the difference is that in India, the richest man usually owns the government, so there is no question of him going to jail.
Well, in China also, the richest men probably do own the government. We just don't know who they are.
Yeah,
China is like Russia in many ways,
What a
dude.
beautiful statement. What a beautiful statement.
The
The businessman is not the rich man. You're
yeah,
good.
the richest people in China are the generals who run a bunch of stuff.
Politburo,
Like
so to
generals,
speak, under
हाँ.
Jinping.
But that
You know,
is a
it's
mix of power and money.
correct.
I
हम
think
समझे धंधे वाला लोग इंडिया में
no.
ज्यादातर है ना जर्नलिस्ट को बंद कर देते हैं.
So you know, the richest man in the world, according to a lot of estimates, is not Jeff Bezos or Bill Gates or anybody like that. It's Putin.
Yeah,
Right,
yeah,
according to most
Yeah,
people,
yeah.
Putin is the richest man in the world.
yeah.
China has similar aspects to its
I-
government, right?
I think-
Where there are, sorry,
Go on.
no, there are generals who basically control entire industries, right? There are generals who control the entire hydroelectric industry. The general who controls the entire, like, construction industry. There are a bunch of stuff like that which is there, right? So Jack Ma is like an entrepreneur. Right? I mean, like, he's a guy he's a self-made guy. He's made his fortune through this stuff. He's not completely self-made. He comes from privilege, etc., but he's made his fortune
Jack
by
Ma
himself.
doesn't come from.
I
Jack Ma
heard-
he used to be a school teacher, bro. Alibaba wala.
Exactly.
He is
I-
first privilege
I
नहीं
heard-
No, but I think his parents were in the they were part of they were part of the Communist Party at that time. I think something like that was there.
Even in Western countries, you have to have one foot in the political wheel. You don't go up without that. But coming back to what I heard off the record is Pradyuman is the richest man. A guy called Pradyuman in China. He's the right-hand man of Xi Jinping. And he's the guy who suggests to Xi Jinping, let's make you president for life. And 10 years more after you die. That kind of thing. So every time he says something nice, he gets another industry to himself. And that's how it
Pradyuman
works.
that's the name of the ACP from CID, right?
No. Different guy.
We don't want any legal notices. Mine is a story about a guy in China who happened to
Okay.
get this name. His surname is Ping. Pradyuman Ping. So,
Pradyuman Ping.
Okay.
He does
Google
this
him.
and then
Look at the perplexed look on the entrepreneur who hired me for the job. He's wondering what the fuck I'm saying. And he's thinking, why did I hire him? And why now a daily? So on multiple, it's like a molestation happening live, guys. Amit is being molested physically live on camera. Look at his expression. He's like, what the fuck is he saying? How will I ever find a sponsor? Not even a Chinese one. And definitely not anyone from CID or CBI or wherever he's from. Okay, guys. This is a horrible story.
Continuing
Yeah.
forward with the Jack Ma story, it goes on to say that speculation of his disappearance became even more after he did not appear on the finale episode of his own TV show,
Yeah.
Africa's Business Heroes. Yeah, so that is definitely cause for worry if for his loved
कुछ
ones. I
नहीं.
guess.
अभी जैक मा गया अभी अच्छा था. Nice having him around for a while. यही होता है.
I heard that the last words they said to him was "Teri ma," and then I don't know. Signed off. I'm so wrong. I apologize. Wonderful guy. How sad that story is, but when we reflect on it for a second, God, you can be so successful and still disappear in a second. It's happened to so many people. Saddam Hussein, one of my favorites, guy who swam that river in Iraq,
Just gone.
Just
Yep,
gone.
just gone.
Yeah.
Gaddafi, just gone.
Gone. And at one
Who
point,
else, Cyrus,
untouchable.
are your favorites, please? I was just as a small side note, as we all know, a lot of Nobel laureates, especially Peace Prize laureates, they tend to start a lot of wars and kill a lot of people. If you've noticed, like Obama ko
And the
6 saal
second,
diya.
half, the second half is where the principles come in and the morality comes in. It's there. We've got that in our own chapter. Sorry to interrupt. Akash, go on.
So I'm just saying, if Nobel Peace Prize winners are also starting wars, so what standard are we holding Chinese government up to?
The name being bandied about was Donald Trump for the Peace Prize. Then Kim Jong-un. In a sense, it makes sense also if you were to stop a nuclear threat. But on the other hand, really, what have you tried?
Yeah, that's like an act of omission peace prize, right? That we're giving you a peace prize for not blowing up the world.
Yeah, exactly.
नहीं यार वो जो 90s में वो आंटी को दिया था आंटी को दिया था ना 90s में वो म्यांमार वाली आंटी नहीं थी जो अभी जाके एथनिक क्लेंजिंग करने लगी
Sunki, Aung Suu Kyi.
तो वो तो तभी सही काम कर रही थी
Yeah.
Exactly. She was a humanitarian. All this is
ओबामा को
happening.
लिटरली they gave Obama saying कि भाई थोड़ा कम कर ड्रोन स्ट्राइक प्लीज
Yeah.
because the
Yeah,
year they gave it
Obama-
to him.
Yeah, Obama was basically the not Bush Nobel Prize.
Yeah.
Yeah, so- So I'm guessing Joe Biden's also due.
Yeah, for sure.
Gee, yaar.
I think he'll have to get.
You think Joe Biden or Kamala Harris?
I think Joe Biden should appear on
Who will get
Apprentice.
more prices?
Let's see
Are
how
you all
that goes.
able to? Are you all able to discuss Kamala Harris before without thinking of Suresh Menon going Kamla ka hamla? Like, can you guys?
I don't know if I will be able to anymore.
I like to call her Kamala. Kamala. How do they say it with the American accent, Mr. Doshi?
Kamala.
Kamala. Sorry,
Kamala.
Kamala. Kamala.
Kamla bolte ho log.
Yeah, it hits your. You know, the thing is that it's now a name that's recurring. So occasionally, if you hear a name and you just let it go, but then say it 8 times in this incorrect way, it just hits your ear, and I can't focus on anything else. You know, it's like a teacher who says the name wrong in class when we have this odd name that some poor kid has been given, like my good friend Tuki Wakam. Yeah, no, lovely guy again. Tuki
Say that
Wakam
name
Mahesh.
again?
Tuki Wakam Mahesh. Stamp Ram, lovely guy.
Okay.
But the name is Tuki Wakam. But we all called him Mahesh. Nobody called him Tuki Wakam because that's the whole story about, you know, the name. You all know about that. But there's some teacher who would go and then everyone would giggle. This went on for 10 years like a recurring stupid gag. Unbelievable. Don't take it out on Jack Ma. All right, guys. Anything on Trump? Because he says that Georgia should, very quickly, I know we have AMAs. Georgia should recount.
I don't know.
No, but-
He says so
I
many
mean,
things. He wants,
that's one state. Even if you offer it to him, he still doesn't get the presidency. What's the point?
no, he doesn't. He's a fool, man. At this point, there's
So what's
nothing else to
wrong?
say,
What's he
right?
gonna do?
Did you guys saw the thing that came out, the transcript that came out on Sunday, where like he spoke to the Secretary of State? I mean, like the guy's just like he's a fool, he's a huckster. I mean, like we can't wait for the 20th to come fast enough.
Okay, again, I'm
No,
asking,
on
but what is the motivation to just try and attack Georgia and try to get that rescinded or whatever? Because it makes no
No,
sense. He
so
still loses.
he's not just trying at Georgia. He's trying the same thing in Arizona, and he's trying the same thing in Nevada, and he's trying the same thing in Wisconsin, and he's trying the same
So he's
shit
thinking
everywhere.
they'll all go
Pennsylvania.
Seed doubt.
domino effect.
Yeah.
Huh.
I think what Antrish is saying is exactly right? Seed doubt, make it so that there is a tremendous amount of residual anger in the Republican base, which he basically speaks to directly. And I mean, like we're going to start seeing this. But I'll say this, right? I know a lot of Republicans in the U.S. and that call that got recorded and released on Sunday, that had an effect. Right, like people who were earlier, like still like, hey, we need to know what's going on with the elections, we don't trust the elections, this, that, the other. Those guys heard that call and they heard lines like, you need to find me 11,800 votes and stuff like that, and they really what do you
Could
call
it have been
They
doctored, but play devil's advocate?
what
Call.
could the call have been doctored? No, I mean, like, people confirmed the call and it was
Deepfake. It is a deepfake. Yes, Cyrus has hit the nail on the head. It is a deepfake. None of this has ever happened. There was no election. What America? There is no such thing.
क्या पिलाया साले को? What have you given him? Is there a doctor anywhere here? Akash is suddenly woken up and gone berserk. Akash is how my wife behaves at certain times in the day. I don't know why. Just explodes with anger.
This makes me ask you two questions about what
Please
Amit
do.
just said. Firstly, and this is more directed to the audience, please like the video so that when you like the video, the YouTube algorithm thinks it's doing well, so it pushes this video out to more people and more people can join the live video. So if there's 69 people watching, which by the way, but if there are 69 people watching and only
How
36
poetic
likes,
is that? What poetic justice is what we deserve. Yeah.
69 people watching 4 dudes talking.
And imagine the 70th person left on purpose. He's like, no. I have to
As
make it
my
perfect.
aunt Roshan used to say, ulta pulta. Ulta pulta. Very good. Just to keep it fresh, do we want someone to go to 70? Take us to 70? Let's do an auction. Anyone there? 70, going once, going twice. I think we should go on with the AMAs, guys.
Yes, let's do that.
and one last question I had to ask
Yeah.
to the panel and specifically to you, Cyrus, because you are a worldly man.
I am a worldly man.
You are.
Yeah.
What does an Indian politician have to do? Say if we had, say hypothetically speaking, we also had a person who was considered the head of the state of this country. Hypothetically. And what would he have to do to get people to turn away? Like how Trump had, his voice note was enough to make Republicans feel कि नहीं अब ज्यादा हो गया. अपने देश में ऐसा क्या करना पड़ेगा कि लोग को लगे कि अब ज्यादा हो गया?
Yeah, I
difficult
think wear
question.
short pants. In India, if you want disrespect, just wear shorts. No one takes you seriously. The great leaders of India never wear shorts. I've tried to change that with my own personal revolution. I've failed. Everywhere I'm in shorts, get no respect. I got to tell you, shorts in India, the correlation is unbelievable towards disrespect. And that too, the RSS changed their shorts to long pants, proving my point just last year. Awkward pause. You see, RSS and all the panelists go quiet. You got to think for 3 seconds, call a lawyer, decide how to take it forward. And, fair enough. And Akash is like, I'm a very clever comedian. I don't diss anyone. I work it out in a very subtle fashion. And then we go and do this. Munawar. Maybe Akash, you start classes for comedians because you've got to find, like in the erstwhile Soviet Union, ways to critique the government without actually doing it. Layered, the satire is so layered that you can, boss, what are you saying? It's got nothing to do with that. I think that Silvery, would you like to start those tuition?
Oh, tuitions.
Sorry.
Oh, he's not even
Silvery is saying you start comedy tuition.
He's lost interest in life.
सुन रहे हो? चिच्चा बात कर रहे हैं.
In 68 हो गया, तो बंद हो गया बीच में. Oh God, so sad.
All right.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's.
All right, let's go to the AMA.
Yeah. Have we answered Akash's question? I think we have because there is no answer to it, right?
Shorts.
Yeah.
It felt like a question which was just kind of
All
put out
these,
there.
no, Amit, it's a very fair question from an erudite man. I give him that. But to answer this question, I will need a European breeze. I will have to sit somewhere in Croatia, like I told you yesterday, maybe Krakow, Poland, or one of those places, and then it'll come to me. I feel in Indian waters it won't happen.
It won't happen.
Yeah,
Fair
so
enough.
let's go to AMAs and softer questions.
So I have my answer to Akash's question would be I don't think that there is anything.
Yeah, that was the answer I was
You're
hoping
a
for.
young entrepreneur and you don't want to be
10 points.
you, so I accept your
Yeah.
philosophy. Right.
Yep.
Here
Cool.
endeth the
Let's-
lesson.
So there are a bunch of AMA questions in the live chat. Antarsh, you want to pick those up?
Yeah, I'm picking those
Okay,
up.
cool.
Okay. Right.
Hey, and
First
this
one.
might be a great
Okay,
way
welcome to the
to
AMAs,
suggest
everyone.
people that hey, you should join the live because we will take questions from the AMA from the live as well as the other.
Also,
Oh,
who
yeah,
should?
people have
Yeah.
posted
So guys, please
Yeah. No, I'm just saying that we should put a type
Yeah,
to it.
so-
If you're desperate for attention,
post
this is the
questions
place to come to.
in the live chat.
because right now we have 70 people, so we read out all the AMAs. So this is the place really which will validate your existence. This will hold for now. Sorry, please, Silvery.
All right. The first question comes in from Vivek Chate. Sorry, I hope I didn't pronounce that name incorrectly.
Vivek Chate?
AMA, he says, what additional skill set or talent would you, that is everyone else on the panel, like to have?
I would like to be able.
What additional skill
sorry.
set or talent?
Okay.
Yeah. Please go ahead.
I've
Yeah.
always envied dogs who can lick their genitals. I know it sounds terrible, but I feel a lot of problems in the world would have been solved if we could lick our genitals. We discuss 69 viewers, and I hate to take the conversation and make us sound lowbrow and all that. But these little things can change the world. Jack Ma may be alive today if he could. Well, maybe not. Maybe not Jack Ma, but the rest of us. It would be a huge advantage in society when you're alone at a cocktail party. You say, "Excuse me, ma'am, off you go, lick your genitals." I just think it works better. I've silenced
Man, this is gonna
panelists.
become a
Now, Akash, would you like to go?
this is gonna become a little blue. This is gonna become a little blue, but there is a category of porn concerned with what you're talking about.
Wow.
It's called self suck.
Okay.
Not even
Why
making
was
sound, dude.
Flower arrested
Not
and not you and me? Because this is a conversation we're having on every level. And Madhya Pradesh, please listen. Take us in. Take us in. What is watching? How weird are you, Silvery, that you know this? Mine was just an object.
I don't know.
You
I
know
don't
this.
know why I know
You're a
this is
student.
that.
You're
Yeah.
doing a PhD on
know.
self-suck. Oh, God. How many are we down to? 65? How many are we left?
Oh God.
Being. Oh,
We
that should be the name of the show. Self-suck. God.
Although
Ouch.
it is,
Our viewership
it is
our
pertinent
viewership
to-
increased. Yeah.
it is pertinent to say that once the likes went up, the viewers have gone to 78. So
Yeah.
please hit the like button.
Yes.
We are subservient to the algorithm. ये लोग को पता नहीं है, ये लोग नया है इधर, मैं बता रहा है तुमको, मैं इधर का वासी
सर
हूँ.
जी ये एक सोसाइटी के रिफ्लेक्शन है 69 to 78 you do गिन के 9 so 9 perverts it has to be 9 perverts because the moment you go to self suck we got 9 up. I got it. I did the maths on that one. We apologize to all the pervert, all lovely people who the usual blah 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 political crap. And back to Silvery.
What about you, Akash and Amit? Would you?
I think they're blown away
what
by
skill set?
themselves.
Still, I don't know how
By
to.
Faizal answer.
Yeah, I don't know how to follow that.
He's going to be like, use your left hand to come. What the hell?
Yeah, I तो didn't understand the question only. क्या खुद का चूसने का ऐसा?
No, Abhi sir,
नहीं,
go
question
away
is
from sex. That
what-
was a nice answer.
The question was, what skill set or talent would you like to have? Basically, that you don't have?
This year,
Ah,
like in life,
Yeah.
I wish I could remember specifics, man. Numbers and names I'm very bad at, and that really hurts people's feelings a lot of the time because like I can't remember their name even after I've known them for 6 months, 1
no,
year.
that's not the problem with you, Akash.
Yeah.
The problem is you don't know how to be insincere. You must learn how to be insincere. You just have to show love in your eyes and say chief and all that. I do it all the time. I hug people. I hug everyone. Even during COVID. The guy is like, man, remember me? I said, of course, I'm doing complete sentence. You hug and fuck off. Just run. Insincerity is a beautiful thing. We've not played around enough with that. Because the
Cyrus, I
intent
do
is
that.
it's Machiavellian. The end justifies the means. Sorry, go on.
No, I do that, but then people tell me what you're Cyrus or what? Fucker, say my name.
Well played, Akash. Game over. 6-0. First set, Akash Mehta. Yeah, in our area, you can't have 2-3 shoots. You can only have one. It doesn't work. Yeah. Oof. Unbelievable. This life is more fun than dead. Huh? I'm glad we're doing it. You didn't answer, Amit. You didn't answer.
Mine would be boring. I mean, like, compared to the
You want to do after
amazing
show?
ideas you guys have. I wish I could. I wish I could code properly. I don't know how to do coding. So there you go. How about that? I told you I'm boring.
Coding.
No, that makes sense
I
because
want
sometimes
to
people come and
get
say,
himself
"तुम मुझे
off."
खोल दो, मैं तुम्हें Sunday दूंगा," and then you're like, नहीं, ये तो Robert Ford ने नहीं बोला था.
We need Amit to kill the sexual feeling. You see, the moment he went into coding, I lost interest in that self-suck. It's gone out of my system. I was about to surf and check it out because of good old Silvery. By the way, you told me you broke up with your girl. Now we know why, huh?
Yeah.
You don't need her.
Oh man.
Oh boy. I hope she's not listening. We apologize. What's her name?
Sorry.
What's your girlfriend's name?
Don't say her name. Don't tell.
I mean, now, no, what? No, man, you don't.
No,
Now
Cyrus.
It's not
Now
required.
Now we all just call her
Now,
sister.
sorry. Yeah.
It's sister.
Now she's the ex.
She's
Yeah.
the ex. And
she's
sometimes
the
if it is like 2 X's behind, then what do you say? कि like इसके पहले
Yeah,
वाली X है तो
exactly.
क्या बोलता है? XX.
XX. Yeah. That's,
Again, I will.
yeah.
But I'm just from another generation.
And
Yeah.
yeah. If it's 3X's back, it's
Stop
triple
it.
X.
Stop it. Stop it.
And if it's 4
We'll
X's
never get a
back, it's
sponsor.
not worth
Even
mentioning.
Pornhub will not sponsor this show. Please stop it. Oh, God. All right. Quickly, one last one. Or wait too long.
Yeah,
Yeah,
let's
sure.
do one more.
One
Yeah.
last one. Okay, this is fun. Favorite destination for a road trip, for a long road trip.
How do you define long? जो
Uh,
ऐसा हो
I don't know.
चाय में डालते हैं कभी-कभी.
Long, whatever seems long to you. Like if it's five hours of a road trip is long
My
to you, then that's a long
problem
road
with this question is
If-
it's always the road trip. Is it a solo one? Because see, my problem is the company. You can have an
Yeah.
awful
Yeah.
road trip if the person is not compatible with you, and you can have a great road trip if you know. So for me, it has to be strangers. I can't bear people I know. Not for 5-6 hours. There's no way. I can't do Bombay Goa with people I know. For fuck's sake, Kunal is so stupid. Sometimes he says the same story in 15 minutes again. I mean, I know it's the same story, and I tell him, look, there's no one. With 2 of us in the car. You can't tell me the same story 3 times in 30 minutes. Oh, like that. So no, not people.
Okay, I
I
think
know.
we should
Strangers.
start-
I love strangers.
I think we should start though with, okay, are you guys road trippers
Yes.
for the most part?
I've taken a few, but I wouldn't say that I'm like a regular road tripper.
Okay.
What is
My well, as in like I don't do it every year or
No,
anything like
Amit,
that. Right?
if you have ever done it in your life, you can now apply. Okay, that's how the internet works.
Okay,
If
so
you have
then I'm
ever-
a hardcore. I've done it many times, and I've done long ones too. I've done like 30-hour road trips and stuff.
Fuck that. You have gone
Really?
to school in a cab, you have done a road trip. It does not matter. Wanderlust.
I'm above all of you all because I married well. She likes to drive. I hate to drive. So road trip, forget road trip, parking, everything I make her do. Reversing, because I hate reversing. I come from the old days of reversing where you look behind. Not like today's kids go one mirror here, one mirror there, and look at some algorithm in front of them and figure out the parking. We have to turn. Turning takes half an hour. Forget the pets. So no, I think road trip depends on where you are. I suppose in Europe driving is not so bad. Switzerland we drove with GPS, and every place we reached correctly. GPS. Because of course there's only one building every 16 kilometers or whatever, so it's not difficult. But I went last Friday. I went to do an event in Andheri, and the GPS took me to the opposite lane from the lane where the studio was. Okay, after which we had to call the event people and say, "Now we are here," and then he said, "But I'm here. Look across the road." So road trips in India are always a bit of a lottery. And
Yeah.
I don't know. Our company is very important. Can I have like a really small person with me?
Yeah.
No, don't look at me like I'm a dirty pervert. I'll explain why. I like to rest my
Okay.
arm while driving, and I can only rest my right arm.
Oh, yeah, I know that
A long
feeling. I know
drive.
that feeling.
Because you think I'm being flippant? These are things I think about all the time. I'm like, oh, I wish I had something to put my hand on. Didn't you?
Yeah,
Ali,
you
like,
want to be you want to be comfortable when you do the road trip,
there you
right?
go, 100%. All right, I can
My
see.
my
I
biggest
don't think
pets.
of a human hand rest, but yeah, you want to be comfortable when you do a road trip.
Yeah.
But a person
Uh,
about this high, like a teddy bear size, is perfect for your hand. You know. Also, you can move the person. You can say, "Come forward, go back," so you can adjust yourself. That's why I say it.
Yeah.
Uh, okay,
I
fair
think
enough. To each his
All
own.
right.
it's also like in India there is an added element of the people around you. Because to give you an example, I had gone to what's it called? Like
Alibag.
if I've ever driven to Alibag to theek hai chalo, but like Rajasthan side guy ye wo. I'm not that scared because I know the language and I know they speak Hindi. But when I went to Kodaikanal from Bangalore, it was a very difficult experience because there is a lot of aggression and people are not nice to you.
You're a
They are an
South Indian racist,
accent.
anti-South. Your career's finished
Anti-South,
after
bro.
Jaipur. You can't go anywhere. Be very careful. This podcast,
Like,
our listenership is 82% South. You're in big trouble, Akash. But I get your point because I
no,
remember. Sorry, go on.
no, but so like in India that becomes the problem. But I've done road trips with romantic partners. I've done road trips with friends, with comics, and I feel like the best people to road trip with are comics any day because like it's just a constant stream of punchlines while you're driving. Because I'm always the one who ends up driving. Like
Have you
it's
driven with
great
Kunal?
because
There's no
no,
punchline whatsoever. There's only coughing
I
and throat clearing. That kind of thing. And it goes on for hours. I have no idea.
Cyrus, is that why you think he's saying the same story? Because he keeps clearing his throat again and again. That's not a word.
No, he tells me the exact same story in the exact same way. There's not even a comma changed. If he changes it a bit, I put up with it. It's the exact same story every time. I went to Bhavan's house and he's hurt his knee. It's the exact same thing. And the story goes nowhere. It's just a pointless story. Please don't start. So my point is, I think people are. It's like the airports of the world, or wherever you go, cities outside India and all that, where you meet strangers. Strangers can really give you a great time for a short while. So I'm always game for strangers. You talk about anything, and you're excited, they're excited. The level of energy goes up. But the same old people for hours and hours, damn tough, bro. Damn tough. I don't know. I mean, no disrespect to you guys. I'm sure you'd be fun in a car, but whatever.
Mm.
Okay. Cheers. Have a good one.
All right.
You can pull out.
I think that
No pun intended. Stop it.
yeah, that's
I mean, why? I didn't even go there. Some words just have double entendre. Just leave them. No? Who's going to listen to our show? Creeps. 11 or 15 or will be left listen to our show. Hey, what's the dirty word? Hey, what's the dirty meaning? And Silvery will be the brand ambassador because he's the guy with the knowledge. Self-suck. How dare you
Why
know
did I say
that?
that?
How dare you know that? What is the theory of relativity? Tell me. Huh? How do you split the atom? Huh? How do you spell strawberry biscuit? No, but self-suck. Unbelievable.
Yeah, and I'm huge on pop culture.
At this rate, you'll never be a pop. Look at your behavior. And another horrible show has come to an end, guys. Let's all go and do the right thing and urinate.
Oh, man.
Fair enough?
okay.
All right.
All right. Yes.
See you tomorrow. It was left out of the
Yes.
78.
Same time.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Same time. 10 a.m. tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thanks so much.
Do I have to shut something here?
No. Don't touch it.
Rishi, shut. Now you just need to wait for the recording to upload.
It will not
And
happen.
let's hope that.
We are still.
Recording is up.
There's a 20-second lag. So 20 seconds after this, we are still being recorded, by the way.
Hey!
Oh, mine is showing 2%.
Thank you, guys.
This is
Thank
like
you
my
so much
tech
for
standard.
tuning in.
It's showing 2%.
Yeah, no, yours is an issue, man.
You'll have to
I don't
come,
know
bro.
what's
I
going
don't
on.
know. We don't know what to do. And yesterday, it
Mine
stayed at
goes
18 from what time did I call you, Silvery? 5-ish?